Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to embed a picture or an image into your Canvas discussion board. So the first thing you have to do, if you want to upload a picture from your hard drive into Canvas, you go to your account and then you're going to go to Files. I've already uploaded some images here, okay? So all you would do is press upload, find the picture you want to put in, and then we're going to go to our course. Okay, this is not our course, I'm just doing this for an example. Go into whatever course you want to go into. You're going to go to discussions. Find the discussion board you want to respond to. Hit reply. We are going to click on this little mountain with the sun right here. And then go into your Canvas file. So you go to Canvas and then Files. Find the picture you want to embed. If you want to make it smaller, you can change this number here. This number will automatically adjust. You don't have to do anything. And then go to Update. And there's your picture. And then you would just post the reply. Now, if you really don't want to bother with uploading a picture from your hard drive, you have another option. You can go to Flickr, and Flickr has lots of pictures. So let's say I'm looking for a picture of a horse. There we go. Click your picture. Update. So now that picture has embedded into the discussion board. Okay, give it a try and let me know if you have any trouble. Bye-bye.